All right, we have 9632 room tour. This is a junior suite on Utopia of the Seas. So they have the rainbow card. You do the tap tap, you open up, and this is a junior suite. It is on the midship. So the first thing you walk in, you notice it's got two different windows here. But let's get to the first thing. Look at this walk-in closet. Massive. Beautiful. Look at the bathroom. Look at the bathroom tile. It's got the marble. It's everything. Shower, tub, combination. Here is one of your closets. A little side closet with your safe and a couple of drawers. And you got some drawers here. You got a mini fridge over here. It does come with the little Lavazza coffee maker. Here's some of our amenities and stuff like that. We have some outlets here, and I will be featuring one of the important things you should always bring is the European adapter. It will actually give you more plugs, but this has 3 regular plugs and it's got a couple of USBs right there. And it's got a big, nice little sitting area here. There are additional plugs and USB adapters on these lamps on the nightstand, so you have those. So it's pretty ample. Here's your couch, and so someone wanted to know, do these come out? Do these angle out? And if I could get my lovely assistant, does the TV angle out to face the bed? So let's see. You gotta grab both sides. Does it angle? No, it does not pull out.
No.
Interesting. Okay. If you try hard, you're gonna rip it off the wall. So I guess the TV is meant to watch from the couch. Then we have our beautiful balcony. Look at this. It's on the midship, so it's on the hump. So it's a really nice size balcony. And you know, we asked for an ocean view balcony, and you know, I'm gonna have to complain because I got a view of a parking lot. So that's my only complaint about this room. It's supposed to be ocean view, but there is your junior suite, 9632 Utopia of the Seas. Welcome to the world's biggest weekend.